want it? Who want it? Who want it?
It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. Cash getting larger. He thought he was loving me good. I told him go harder.
Hey Flava Babes, welcome back to Mika's House of Flavor, where we cook, we eat, and we just laugh. Today, we are having fried pork chops, baked macaroni and cheese, and some French style string beans with corn. I am tired, and I was going to need to eat dinner, so I said, let me go eat dinner with my crew, with my lovely subscribers. Let's get with it, because I'm tired. I don't even have nothing to say, y'all. I'm just here. I showed up. Maybe I should have put the camera up a little bit. Let me see. Man, I want y'all to see the food. Y'all don't gotta see my big ass head. Y'all know I started eating and the camera wasn't recording.
Are you fucking dumb?
Anyway, so my pork chop, I need to have this. See that bone? Gotta have it. Gotta have it. But how was your day? My day was okay. I had to go to urgent care today. Wasn't feeling well. My ear, I could not hear nothing. So last night, it was bad. So I have allergies. They also had to flush out my ear. That is the most miserable feeling. I don't wish that on nobody. So now I'm exhausted. First of all, y'all, I started recording. Well, I thought I pressed record. And I wasn't. I was sitting here talking to myself. Wait till y'all see the other video. I did a whole video. Neck bones and butter beans. With no sound. Yeah, listen. I'm trying. Okay? No sound. I don't even know if y'all know what I got. You can tell mac and cheese. French style string beans with some corn and a pork chop. That's what you're getting from me today. I don't know. I hope everyone had a good day. A peaceful day. No drama. I don't know. I'm just tired. Like, my body is just tired. But there's mac and cheese, though. To be honest with y'all, I'd rather cut off all the meat and eat that part, which is probably what I'm gonna do. It's good. I like the bone. So I'm about to finish up with y'all, and I'm gonna go watch Fro. How many of y'all watching Fro? Season 4, episode 3 came out, so I'm about to go watch that. We bet. It's so good. If you haven't watched Friends on MGM, it's worth the subscription and just binge watch. I promise. You're gonna love it. Mm. You should watch it. I didn't even share with y'all today. I was greedy. I had lemon juice. No, not like munchies from, I was hungry. My kind of hungry. I ate what I could. I came to say hi. I showed up. I ate with y'all a little bit. I'm gonna go wash the dishes. And probably walk my puppies again. Because if I lay down with this on my stomach, I'll be up in 2 hours. Sick as hell. So I'm gonna do that. And call my mom. Tell her I love her. Mother's Day's coming up, y'all. I'm excited. Like, she's all I got love, I miss my dad. I woke up the other morning and I was gonna go to New York, and I was taking the baby Titus, the 6-month-old, so 7-month-old puppy to New York with me. And I woke up and the first thing I thought was like, oh, daddy gets some Titus today. And then it hit me. No, we won't. So be grateful if you and your parent are not talking or something stupid, if it's disrespectful or, it's something you can't come back from. I am not talking to you because I get it. But if it's something that can be fixed, fix it. Because it's not like this kind of pain. Nothing. So anyway, Mother's Day is coming. I redid my mom's patio for Mother's Day. She got it already. And she loves it. Loves it, loves it, loves it. And it's a team effort, and she loves it. But just being able to spend time with her. If you know, you know. But anyway, y'all. I'm sleepy. But I came to chill with you guys for a little bit. Show my face. Show up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember, there's always a spot here at my table. See you in the next video.
It's getting better.